Congrats! You have earned the title of Rising Creator this week. Guys, yan ang sulat sa akin ni Lolo Mets. Ramen, basahin natin. The Rising Creator titles show that your content has received strong audience engagement while meeting quality, originality, and integrity guidelines. The title nows display on your profile with your self-selected category and in creator recommendation unit which may help grow your audience. Ibig sabihin guys, yung Rising Creator ay nakaka-receive tayo ng magandang audience engagement sa lahat ng followers and non-followers natin habang ginagawa natin ng tama, original at mayroong integrity yung ating mga content. At ang kagandahan guys, yung title na ito ay makikita ng lahat ng audience natin, no? Followers and non-followers. So ibig sabihin, alam nila na tayo ay isa sa mga rising creators for that week. Kaya guys, isa tayo sa mga mapalad na nabigyan tayo ng ganitong pagkakataon ni Lolo Mets, no? Na ma-recognize as a rising creator of that week. So kailangan, kapag meron tayong mga ganito, i-grab natin yung opportunity na ito na mag-post, mag-comment, mag-like, at manood tayo ng mga reels ng ating mga audience. Okay, maraming salamat po. Ramen, tulungan tayo.